In error, I just paused the video. Instead of pausing the video, I just stopped the video. So I'll just continue from here, right? So we can see that once I'm pinging it from here, there is some security flow sessions where you can see that the in and out packet, this thing. So now we will create NAT, right? So in configure. Now what I'll do is, as per this diagram, I'll use this interface as a source NAT itself for that, because I'm not for this lab I'm just using the source interface and not defining any pool for that. So set security policies from zone after internal to zone after external, right? Now policy would be allow in to go out what we created, right? Oh, this is the policy which has been done in the previous video. I thought this policy. Oh, one moment. Let me create this NAT, right? Set security and yeah, NAT insert. So set security NAT source, and I need to create a rule set. Now rule set is internal, right? So I'll just say after internal. So I'll say internal to internet from zone after internal, right? Show compare. Yeah, so I want from zone internal to go as internal network to internet, right? Then I'll type set security NAT source. Now I want it to go to external network. So rule set, I'll use INC. The from zone was defined earlier. Now I'll just define to zone. To zone after external. So compare internal from to. Yeah, this is something important. Now then set security NAT source rule set rule external access, or say internet access. Internet access match source address 192.168.100.0/24, and I want to match destination address would be, so any packet which is coming in with the source of 192.168.100.0 would be, and going to any destination would use source NAT. So I will then, once the match statements are made, once again I'll show this show compare. So from internal zone to external, I've just created a rule called as internet access source destination, because I did not configure then, so which I'll do it now. Then source NAT and what I need to do. So for this lab I'm just using interface exit. So show security flow sessions, I don't see anything, but let me generate some traffic. right? So I'll just copy this and let me paste this in a new notepad. Let's say here. And if you just look the previous output, what we saw that, right? With at that time I have not configured NAT, and this time I have configured NAT. So right. Initially, when the packet was coming from the source address of the Windows 7 PC and the destined for that, the Cisco router was sending a packet directly destined to our particular PC, which means that router knew that this was the address of the source machine. But now after implementing that, you can see that the source is coming in here. It's going to our source NAT interface, and from the out interface, so the third party, let's say from Cisco, he doesn't know that what is our IP address, so our internal IP is been hidden. Hope that makes sense, and I'll just end this video for now. So you can just quickly check that we created an internal zone to travel to out. Now in case if you want your DMZ to talk to external, again you need to create a policy that he can talk. The similar policy can be applied, and instead of using application any, you can use some other distant application. So in my next video I'll just configure a more detailed policies, and I'll post it on my blog as well. I have Windows XP machine ready as well, so let me create some more labs and share it with you. Thank you for watching.